Hey Long, are you a vegetarian? Yes, I am. How can you say that? Because I eat vegetables. Okay. Alright everyone, hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I will be discussing to you the different types of vegetarians. Okay, we have a lot of different types of vegetarians and maybe you are one of them. You just don't know that. So before we continue, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course ring the notification bell so that you will be notified if I will have a new video. Okay? Alright, so if you will look at the definition of vegetarian in the dictionary, it says here, one who only eats vegetables, one who does not eat meat or herbivore. So this term is quite general because there's a lot of specific terms for that, for different types of vegetarians. So this time I will be sharing to you what's the difference between those types of vegetarians. So let's begin. Alright, so the first type of vegetarian that we have here is vegan itself. Okay, this is also called the total vegetarian or strict vegetarian diet. Strict means strict. No meat, no dairy. Okay? Foods allowed are strictly of what? Plant origin, devoid of any animal products. So basically this diet is a plant-based diet. Vegan, strict vegetarian, or plant-based diet, iisa lang po yun. They're just the same. Okay? Products included are fruits, of course, it's plant, vegetables, whole grains, soybeans, legumes, nuts, breads, cereals, and processed foods made from these items. Don't get me wrong when I say processed foods, because we have a lot of processed foods that is a plant-based. So yes, like for example, we have peanut butter, we have soy milk, meat like gluten. So in this diet, of course, vegans avoid all animal products like milk, dairy, cheese, ice cream, eggs, fish, and poultry, and red meats. Like what I mentioned a while ago, strict means strict, plant-based, no animal products. So what you call that? It's a vegan diet, strict vegetarian diet, or a plant-based diet. Get it? Alright, the second type of vegetarian that we have here is lacto-vegetarian. From the word itself, from the root word lacto is a word that is related to milk, like lactose, the sugar from milk. So it means that this diet includes milk and milk products, and yes, in addition to their plant-based food. So basically you have your plant source, and you will just add milk products like cheese, milk, and then any milk products that you have. So again, it's the lacto-vegetarian. Alright, the third type of vegetarian diets that we have here is ovo-vegetarian. From the word ovum, it means egg. So, which means that this diet includes eggs and egg products in addition to their plant-based diet. So again, you're eating vegetables, fruits without meat, but includes egg and egg products. Again, it's ovo-vegetarian. The previous two that I've mentioned, the lacto and the ovo-vegetarian, still they exclude meat in their diet, any kinds of meat. They just add milk and eggs from their diet. That's why they are called lacto-vegetarian and ovo-vegetarian. Alright, the fourth type of vegetarian that we have here is the combination of lacto and ovo-vegetarian. So you call this a lacto-ovo-vegetarian. So basically you will just combine the two items, the milk and milk products and the egg in your diet. That's why you are called lacto-ovo vegetarian. In lacto-ovo vegetarian, milk and milk products, eggs and their products are both allowed in addition to food from plants. So just a combination of lacto and ovo vegetarian. The fifth one that we have here is semi-vegetarian. Fruits, grains, legumes, nuts and seeds, vegetables, milk and milk products, eggs, chicken and fish are included in the diet. All other animal meats are excluded. In this type of vegetarian diet, it already includes white meat, chicken and fish, but all other animal meats are excluded, like pork, like beef, lamb. So those are the animal meats that are excluded in the semi-vegetarian diet. So again, in semi-vegetarian diet, you include everything except the red meats. You have chicken and you have fish. Alright, for the last type of vegetarian diets, we have PESCO vegetarian or pescatarian. In this diet, fish and fish products are added to the list of items of plant origin. All animal meats are excluded. So this is basically a fish diet, okay? Fish vegetarian diet, because it only includes fish meat and other meats are excluded, like chicken, beef, pork, or any kinds of meat except fish. So again, the first vegetarian diet that we have here is a vegan diet, which is also known as a strict vegetarian diet, and strict or total vegetarian diets, or a plant-based diet. Next, we have lacto-ovo, which you include milk and milk products in your diet. The third one, we have ovo vegetarian. You don't include milk, but you include egg and egg products in this kind of diet. The fourth one is the combination of the second and the third type of vegetarian diet, which is lacto-ovo vegetarian. In this diet, you already included eggs, milk, and of course, their products. Alright, the fifth one is the semi-vegetarian. Okay, in this diet, you already included chicken and fish, but any types or other types of meat are excluded, like pork, beef, lamb, and so on. And the last type of diet that we have here is the fish vegetarian or the PESCO vegetarian, which you only include fish meat, and aside from that, no other meats are included. Is that clear? Of course. So after discussing these types of vegetarian diets, of course we have to know why is it important, to change your diet into a healthier one. It says here, vegetarian diets are usually low in saturated fat, cholesterol, and animal proteins. So those things are not really needed by our body, and we usually get those bad fats from, of course, from the processed foods. Next, it has a high fiber content, which is good in your gut, and it's generally more economical than diets with meat, fish, and poultry. And of course, it can also provide a lot of health benefits. Like for example, it can prevent and treat some certain kind of diseases. Of course, also you have to plan well your diet. Okay, don't just go into a diet, transition into a diet that you don't know anything about. If you will go to the internet, there's a lot of studies about plant-based diet, lifestyle medicine, and they are trying to reverse some kinds of diseases like diabetes, heart disease by transitioning into a plant-based diet. And of course, the results are very high in percentage. Alright guys, I hope you have learned something from today's video, and I want you to share what kind of vegetarian are you. Please comment down below your answers so that I can know, or you can share to me your lifestyle. So if you have any questions, comments, about this topic, please do comment down below. Of course, I love reading your comments, so please don't hesitate to ask me if you have questions about this topic. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload another video. Bye guys!